Hello, well, I'm back. This is part two to this X series. Last time I bought 20 cards, which was $40, and I won 33. So I used that 33 to buy these and threw in a couple dollars more, and now I've got 21 cards. So let's see how I do this time. 29 and 4. 29 and 4. Nope. 23 and 11. 23 and 11. Nothing there. 21, 22. Got a 21. $2 times 1. Hey, finally on the board. $2. 13, 19. $19 and 7. 19 and 7. Nothing. Not doing good. 27, 30. Ooh, got a 27. 27, $2. $2. Okay. 30, 24. 30 and 24. 30, 24. Nothing. 23 and a 9. 23 and a 9. No go. 18, 4. 18, 4. Wow. Not doing good. 12, 22. 12, 22. Man. 19 and 7. 19 and 7. Nothing. I'm not happy. 18 and 7. 18 and 7. 18 and 7. Nothing. Holy moly. 14, 4. 14 and 4. 22, 25. My goodness. And I hope I'm blind and I'm missing something, but I doubt it. 28 and 9. Finally, 28. Let's go with the multiplier times 5. $10. All right. There's something. Still way behind. 1929. 1929. There's a 19. Let's go with the multiplier first. Times 2. $2. So there's a $4 ticket. $19.21. Two 21s. Look at that. Oh, and a 19. Look at that. 1x. Okay, what do we got? A 2. 2. And a 2. Well, that's kind of neat. Never seen one like that. That's pretty cool. All right, $6 more. 23, 27. 23, 27. Nope. $7.21. 7.21. Nothing. Yeah. 16.28. $16.28 is not there. Last one. $11.23. And nothing. All right, so what was it? 2, 4. That's 10. That one was 10, so 24. 24 out of $42. Oh, boy, that was bad. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Well, gonna have to change over to a different type of card and see where we go from there. Thanks for watching. See ya.